To the next slide, Pat, never has touch been more relevant in our society than it is today as well. If you think about it, and mostly to do with the taptic and haptic experiences that you have on your watch, your Apple Watch if you have one, or your phone, and I think everybody has one of those. Who here listening has ever felt their phone vibrate in their pocket and then noticed that the phone is across the room? We remember these things. It's the influence of that haptic or taptic experience that we get when we toggle from one site to another or one application to another on our phone. We're always getting a response, an affirming response to what we're putting into the phone. And if you look at it, and some studies have been done here, right away, without any extra selling or value building, consumers are willing to pay that's equal to or greater than 5% price increase for any package that has a soft touch or high-rise tactile coating on the actual printed piece. And again, that's without even selling or positioning the value of what they're receiving or what they're touching or experiencing. And then if you go a little bit further, what's happening in society right now is that touch influences everything we do, what we buy, who we love, and even how we heal. So the relevancy couldn't be any better as far as from outside of the macro view, the overall view outside of our industry. If you go to the next slide, so how is it affecting